niya. Hello. Ayan na siya. We're docking, no? We're approaching the port of Iloilo. Very rough seas kanina, no? This is Iloilo Ferry Terminal. So normally we're bringing our car, no? So we usually take the slower craft, no? Transporting the vehicle from Iloilo to Bacolod and vice versa. Right now we're taking a passenger jet, ocean jet ferry. So very fast, yun nga lang, very rough seas kanina, nakakahilo din. So we're on the rear side of the boat. Ito yung mga open, you have open air class. Now we're taking the business class. Ito yung sa loob, no? Okay. So economy, mga you pay 500 to 600, dagdagan mo lang ng 200, you get the business class sa taas. Ito yung kanya na sa loob nila, air conditioner, same. Okay, better, more stable pala dito yung kwan. Okay, yun nga lang, you're taking the business class sa taas. We have the luggage. Ito yung open area na class. Then you have there yung business class sa loob. I think this is their comfort room. This is the comfort room. Okay.